If you've ever wished your marketing tools worked seamlessly together, this tutorial is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to integrate Mailchimp with Monday.com so you can automate your workflows, stay on top of your campaigns, and make subscriber management effortless. By the end of this step-by-step guide, you'll have a streamlined connection that saves you hours and keeps your audience engaged. Let's get started by making sure you've got what you need. First, you'll want to have a Monday.com account, and importantly, it should be on a standard plan or higher, so you have access to the integration center. If you're not on the right plan, you might find that some options are grayed out, so double-check before diving in. Next, you'll need a Mailchimp account. Even a free tier works for most basic integrations. Finally, create or choose a Monday.com board that's dedicated to managing your campaigns or your subscriber data. Think of this board as your marketing command center. It'll be the bridge between both platforms. Now here, where the magic starts happening. On your chosen Monday.com board, look up towards the top right corner. You'll see a button labeled Integrate. This is your gateway to connecting Monday.com to the other tools you love. Go ahead and click it. If you've never used integrations before, you might notice a whole world of possibilities open up, but today we'll focus on Mailchimp. Within the Integration Center, you'll see a search bar or a list of popular apps. Type Mailchimp in the search field, and once Mailchimp pops up, click on its logo. This is you telling Monday.com, hey, I want these two platforms talking to each other. Here comes the crucial step. Picking the right automation recipe. A recipe is basically a preset instruction that tells Monday.com and Mailchimp how to react to certain actions. When you select Mailchimp, you'll see a bunch of recipes to choose from. Take a moment here and think about how your workflow operates. For example, maybe you want every new subscriber who joins your Mailchimp audience to automatically show up as a new item on your Monday.com board. That's when a new subscriber is added to an audience, create an item recipe. It's super useful for syncing leads in real time so you always know who's new. Or maybe your workflow goes the other way. Every time you create a new item or client in Monday.com, you want them added as a subscriber in Mailchimp. In that case, select when an item is created, add a subscriber to an audience. This keeps all your client data aligned and ready for your next campaign. Let's say you're managing opt-outs, which is crucial for compliance and keeping your lists clean. The recipe, when a status changes to something, unsubscribe a subscriber, lets you manage this right from Monday.com. For example, if you change a client's status to opted out, it'll automatically unsubscribe them in Mailchimp, making sure you respect their choices without missing a beat. Lastly, you can get really proactive with when an item is created, send a campaign email. This means the moment a new item pops up, maybe a new project milestone or a freshly onboarded client, Mailchimp will trigger a targeted email campaign automatically. It's powerful for timely communications. Once you've chosen your recipe, the system will prompt you to log in and connect both accounts securely. Take your time with this step. You'll need to authorize Monday.com to interact with Mailchimp. Some connections might take a few moments to process, so don't worry if you see a spinning wheel. And that's it, your integration is set up. You've just built an automated bridge between your tasks and your audience. Automation like this leaves you more time to focus on creative strategy instead of manual data entry. If you found this walkthrough helpful or ran into any snags, let me know in the comments. I love helping out. Don't forget to like the video to support the channel and hit subscribe for more hands-on tutorials just like this. See you next time.